Hello, you are welcome to Ostrich Era AI. Just as we all know, this is the home page, and when you scroll down, you have all the features, some of the some of the things you can do, all the features actually, some of them you can see them on the home page. Then you have the nav bar, that one is normal. So you have the contact, the user guide. We're going to be moving the user guide back to the footer. So we have contact, we have revenue, we have solutions, we have industry, then we have product. So when you get under product, we have logo creation, we have image editor. This image editor is just about using AI to work on images. We have background remover, flyer, the signer, we have add creatives. Then we move to the video tools. Under video tools, we have video generation. We have video UGC creator. We have video lip sync. What is video lip sync? Very simple. It's when you have an image, you already have an audio. That is the audio of what you want. You have your picture that you want, that your picture to be saying what is in the audio. You already have the recording of the audio. You can use the video lip sync. We have extend video. This one looks somehow. It's about because as of the moment, some of the AI we just create between 8, 10 to 12 minutes. And the one we use is 8 minutes. So when you create video, you can extend that video by another 8 seconds rather, another 8 seconds. So you can keep doing that and the continuation of the video will flow. Then we have the lip sync status. Now you can check the status of any video you are creating. Then we have this new one that I just added. We have the video editor. That one is great. I will be testing it as I'm moving on this video. The next is social dashboard and then social media post. This work together because social media post is where you generate posts to post on your social media. Then we now added that you can log in your social media account so that right from Ostrich AI, you can post to your social media. Then we move to the last part of this tool where we have research and utility. The first one is the blog research. This will research the blog title, the sections, the SEO, and then we write the complete blog. I've tested this so accurate that if you want 1,500, it's going to give you between 1,004 something, maybe 470 something, or 1,500 and something, just a little. So it's very, very accurate. We have the YouTube research, we have the SEO audit. What this one does is that you just take the URL of your web page, put it there, and press audit. It's going to analyze your website and bring the result of the site out for you. Then we have the YouTube research. The YouTube research is all about to research, just like the blog. It's going to research the title and it can help you generate the banner, that is the thumbnail and every other thing then we have the YouTube script. You will see that we have YouTube script and then we have used enhanced YouTube script. They are almost the same thing, it's only they operate after we work on YouTube script, we now move to the enhanced version of it. So we then have the YouTube title generator and any other thing. So we're going to start testing them. So let's look at the first one, which is let's start with the blog. Let's start with the blog. Let's start from this end. If you click the blog creation, you will see that we have the Chris Tony blog research. So what do we do here? Let me just click start all over because I've been using it. So now we have start over rather. So what did I want to write about? The idea of what you want to write. So you can just put the topic. Let's say I want to write about writing uh, comforting blog blog post. This just coming, I'm just forming this from my head. Then you then move to who is your target audience. We can call it content creators, uh, SEO, SEO agency, etc. Then we have the angle. So I want to use it to market Ostrich AI blog writer. Okay, so the next now is to click generate title. That is the first stage. Now let me remind us, if you look at it, you will see that this first stage costs 12 credit. It's very a bit, but when you see other program that does this, they charge very high. Just the title is 12 credit because it's going to do the research. It's going to go to the back and go to the internet. It's going to research the trending topic under this converting blog. It's going to pick 6 of them and then look at the title and everything, then create 6 title for us. You can see now we have blog posts that convert. The name blog outline you can generate in Ostrich AI blog writer. You can see it gave us the difficulty level. Volume is medium. We have the power word. The power words that use from the topic that you can see convert, proven, and ultimate. These are the power words used from the other people writing on this. Now say who is the audience? It's a content creator, SEO agency writer who need repeatable structure for lead generation post. So intent to find proven blog post structure. So those are the things you can see that they are all generated for you. So what is the next thing now is to select one, pick the best of it, select one. Then let's say now we pick the first one, then we click move to section. That's continue to section. You will see that it move to section. Section is the most expensive because section is going to break down the write up to all the sections. We have 24 credits. This one takes 24 credits to, you will see that it feed the section. You can see that you have then who is your audience again? You know you already have content creator, content creators. Those are the audience. Then we move to goals. I've already told you the goals of this write-up is to say Ostrich AI blog writer. So I'm just going to say to market Ostrich AI blog writer. Okay. So how many words do we need? We need 1,500 words. So I'm going to click generate section. You will see that these are the stages in blog writing. The first is to get the section, to get the title. Then you need the section of your post. After the section, you can now move to SEO. SEO. But the beauty is that in this app, the behind the scenes is writing the section. It already the title, some SEO already used by from the behind the scene. Then the final SEO will be generated that you can see, and it's going to be applied all over the write-up. So this will take few seconds. So during this period, we're going to wait for it to generate. So the sections are generated already. You can see it take few seconds. So we have plan pre problem. Why good blog post? T don't convert, and what you get here. We have what conversion means to creator. Pick one primary this and that. These are the sections. Then it's now giving you the sources. These are the sources. You can see it now. These are the sources that consulted in writing this post. The website, you can see Sig Media slash creation blog post outline. You will see that we have 22,000. You can see these are the pages he consulted to see what they write, the trending pages. When you get to Google, these are the trending pages on Google that you have. Then you can move to SEO. Let's move to SEO. So we click generate SEO. That one will also cost 12 credit. This should not take time up to the section generator. So you have the SEO now perfectly written. So you have the SEO, you can see. You have the primary SEO, there is 9 blog posts outline. So you have all these are keywords. These are the keywords that you can use. These are the keywords that we will use, that is going to use in this write-up. So finally, we're going to generate the content. Let's go on now and generate the content. So we move to content and then we say generate complete content. It's going to charge 12 credit for that. So you will wonder why the session consume more than the content itself. In the session, there are two API working together that pick this day to work and both are charged. So we have this will take some minutes. So we're going to just wait for it. Successful now take about 1 minute 48 seconds to generate the post. If you look at it, this is a complete 1,500 letter words. Sorry, yes, post. And you can see it's well arranged, and there's a button that you just copy it. But we're working the nearest feature that the user can connect his WordPress account and post directly into WordPress as a draft and go and approve it there inside WordPress. But all you need to do is to click this copy all, and it's going to copy it, which you can take to WordPress. So let's look at this now. We have the writing blog post that convert the 9 blog outline you can generate in Ostrich AI blog writer. So we have the blank page, problem, why good blog posts still don't convert, and what you get here. You can come publish every week and still feel like your blog is invisible. So you will see the write-up. Let's move to the second section. You have the what conversion means for creator. Pick one primary call to action, 2 micro conversion. So you have it. You have it here. You can see. Then we have another section. You have high performing outline as structure into how I structure in 2025. That was 2025. It was structure. You know, we are starting the new year now. Then you now have converted pyramid plus pro. You now have this another session, and that's the name block line that convert problem, agitate, solution back into your headline. So let's see it. You can see block one, and you can see the name block, and you see it mentioned. So the write up is now, so this now, so that is the write up. You can see it there. So you can see the blog. So the next thing we're going to test now is the SEO audit. You can see it here. So what we're doing now is that we're going to just test the Ostrich area itself. So we're getting getostrichai.com. So let's audit this site. It's going to cost just 2 credit to audit a site, and it's very fast. It takes some time when you get to 90% because that's where the actual work is done. So the audit is ongoing. Once it's done, you get a beautifully formatted report. Can see it now. Can see SEO score 85%. That means our site is doing well. We can see audit highlight. We can see technical is okay. We can see high impact opportunities. These are on page semantic. These are things we can still put in. These are efforts we can put in. Critical issue, no critical issue as of this moment. So it's very detailed. And the beauty is that you can download it as PDF. So if I click here, you can see it now. So you can save it as PDF. But if you look at it, this is the PDF. You can see that we have a beautiful report here. This beauty PDF. Why is this good? You can do this and send it to your client as SEO agency. So you just send this to your client and say this is the result of your website. And that is that. The next we can look at now is we quickly let's leave these research places. Let's come to SEO, social media post. Under social media post, we have Facebook active now, Instagram is active, LinkedIn is active, YouTube we are still working on it because it's the approval for it to be fully functioning from Google is not yet there. So if you look at it here, you can see my history here. Wow, I've not posted. It's already 4 days that I posted last. You will see that my LinkedIn is connected, my Instagram is connected, and I post right from here. So let's just go now. Let's look at this topic. This same topic now. Okay, let's look at the topic. The topic we use for the blog post just now. Let me go there. Mom. So let's go there. Let's pick this topic. Let's return back to social post. I'm just going to put this. What am I doing? I'm wasting time. Okay, cool, cool. Paste it. Then we generate post. It costs 4 credits. So it's on. It's going to take some minutes or so. Good, it's done. As you can see it, I think I selected LinkedIn. So you can see it now. Want to write blog posts that actually convert. Here's what you need to know in 2026. So those are the things you can see it here. And the beauty is that you can edit it right here. You can edit it right here. Let's say there are things you want correction. It's not something that it's not it's not read only. You can edit it before you post. Then we move down now, and if you look here, you will see that you can upload your own image or you generate image. The beauty is that there's a prompt to generate image, which I'm going to quickly use now. So I'm going to select, okay, let's just generate without putting an image. To generate this image is 1 credit. Why is it 1 credit? It's supposed to be 6 credit. What happened? I will check it. So it's going to take few minutes or so or seconds and the image will be ready. Can see? Can you see now? See that the image you generated is perfect, very perfect for this. Is it now? If you look at this, you can read it, then you can post. Though it's only link that I generated it for, but I can post it to all my